Hi, B. Arlene! Dahil birthday mo ngayon, ikaw munang bida dito sa akin. Ayan. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Ayan. Ang wish ko sa'yo, laging malusog at malakas. Mag-iingat lagi sa pagbibiyahe. Ayan. God bless. Love you. Ayan. Ngayon, ipakilala ko sa'yo yung mga taong minahal ko at minahal mo na rin. Ayan. Sila, panoorin mo tong video na to. Love ya. Happy birthday!
Hi, my love! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Love you, love you! Hi! Wish you more birthdays to come! And many candles to blow! And be good! Okay? We love you! No more fighting! No more! Thank you. Hi, see you.
Thank you for the best of friend. You're so generous.
Okay. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
having us. Okay.
Love
Thank
you.
so
Happy
much. We love
birthday.
you.
More blessings to
Hello, Founder Arlene Sala. Happy birthday! Ayan, more blessings to come. Ayan, happy birthday. At maraming salamat sa pagmamahal at suporta mo kay Tiki Tiki. Ayan, at syempre maraming salamat at isa po ako sa naging kaibigan ninyo at nakasali sa inyong team Love Bida Bida. Maraming salamat. At syempre, enjoy your birthday! Maraming salamat, Founder Arlene Sala. I love you!
Hello, my love. Happy birthday. I hope this year brings you peace, laughter, and everything your heart's been quietly wishing for. You deserve so much more today and always. Happy birthday.
Hi babe, hi Miss A. I just wanna say a happy birthday, wishing you all the best and good health and happy life. And thank you for being you to everybody. A happy-go-lucky lady. And again, happy birthday. Mwah, mwah.
Hi, Day Arlene. Good morning, Day. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Day Arlene. Hinaot unta nga hatagan ka og daghang pang katuigan. Og daghan pa nga mga birthday nga maabot sa imong kinabuhi, Day. Love you, Day. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Team Love Love Bida Bida. Yan, Arlene Sala. Many more birthday to come. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy birthday to Arlen. Many more birthdays to come. God bless.
Hi Sisi, happy birthday. Wish you all the best and ipagpatuloy mo lang yung kung ano ang nasimulan mo Sisi. Alam ko na isa kang napakabait at napakabuting tao, lalong-lalo na sa pamilya mo at sa mga kaibigan mo. Pinagpipray kita kay Lord na sana bigyan ka ng mahabang buhay at saka napakalusog na pangangatawan at saka i-guide ka palagi ni Lord. Yun lang. Happy birthday again and ingat ka palagi. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, ate. Ayan, Ate Arlene, happy birthday. Ayan, ang wish lang nako sa imo ha kay ang imong good health. And salamat sa lahat ng suporta. At sana magkaroon pa tayo ng time na magkita. And sana magtagal pa yung pagsasama natin sa isang team at ang pagiging magkaibigan dito sa mundo ni Mida. At ayan lang po. Love.
Hi, Insan. Happy birthday. Sana marami ka pang birthday darating. Laging malusog ang katawan. Malayo sa anumang sakit. Mag-ingat ka palagi dyan sa Amerika. Miss you, love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday sa aking isa sa kaibigan mula elementary hanggang high school, Arlene Sala. I hope that you will enjoy your special day today, and may the Lord God always bless you and continue what you're doing, especially you're so generous person. I love you, mate. I miss you. I hope to see you soon. Happy birthday.
Hello, Ma'am Arlene Sala. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday party. Ingat ka palagi sa work. Laban.
Happy birthday, Ate Arlene. Wish ko sa'yo, pakaingatan mo ang iyong kalusugan. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Mag-ingat ka sa araw-araw na pagdadrive mo. Salamat at nagkakilala tayo kahit sa bilang love bida-bida. I love you, Ate Arlene. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Arlene. I love you, Ate Arlene. Happy birthday.
Hello. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday sa aking mahal na kaibigan. Ingat ka dyan po. Enjoy ka lang sa birthday mo. Yung unang subo mo para dito sa amin sa Pilipinas. Good health lang yung lagi kong dasal. Para tuloy-tuloy ang blessings sa buhay. Yan. Tsaka, ingat ka lagi dyan. Miss you. Thanks for everything. Happy birthday again. I love you. See you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ate Arlene. Happy Arlene, happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa iyo, good health, more blessed. And sana lagi kang gabayan sa pagbabiyahe mo araw-araw. Huwag kang pabayaan, Ate Arlene. At sana hindi ka magsawa sa pagpapalipad ng star. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Arlene.
Arlene Sala, happy birthday to you. Unta naapakay taas na kinabuhi at limsog imong lawas sa Tagalog pa. Kuan. Maganda ang pangangatawan. Galing sa Team Love Love Love. Bumabati ako sa iyo ng happy birthday to you, be Arlene. Para sa buong pamilya namin at saka sa Team Love 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 Buday, happy birthday talaga sa iyo. Sana naglibog naman kong Tagalog. Oy, unta perminti parang mag-uban sa mga sa GC at sa atong kuan. Ay, takto na to eh. Ayan.
Hello po, kay Ate Erdine. Binabati po kita ng maligayang karawan. Ayan, happy birthday po sa iyo. Ano? Ang wish ko lang po ay sana ay bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng maraming pa pong birthday. At ingat po palagi sa biyahe. God bless!
To my BFF, Arlene Sala. Happy birthday, my friend. Ayan, wish you all the best. Happy birthday, Mami Arlene. Ayun ang baby namin. Oh. Great sa iyo, Mami Arlene. Happy birthday, Mami Arlene. More blessings. Ayan, good health. And God bless. Love you, BFF. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Tita Arlene!
Clap your hands!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Arlene! Kiss, kiss! Mwah! Tita Arlene, blow kiss! Mwah! Yeah.